Today we're gonna make the easiest no-knead bread recipe. I've been making this so often and it's so good. We need 3 cups of flour. 1.
It's so heavy.
It is so heavy.
Mama,
2. Ooh, good job making it in the bowl. No, not with that, not with that, not with that. That's for my tea. Let's not put that in there. 3.
Oh, so heavy.
Ooh, good job. Tablespoon of salt. Or sorry, a teaspoon of salt. Oh my gosh, a tablespoon. We'd be drying out eating this bread. Thank you. Where'd my yeast packet go?
I don't know.
Oh, here it is. Can you pour this in?
Oh, that's
Oh, you got some on your pajamas? That's okay. Here, do you want to pour this in?
yeah.
No, you don't need to put that in there. Here, just use your hand. Use your hand to pour it in.
Boy.
Yeah, just pour it in. Perfect. Thank you. I need 1.5 cups of warm water. I just put the faucet on until it gets to the hottest temperature it reaches, and then I just pour it right in there.
Oh, so hot.
Yeah, 1. Ah, that's okay. I'm just going to use this wooden spatula.
This one?
Yep, and just give it a nice mix. If you need to add a little bit more water in it to give it a more like liquidy consistency, you can do that. This right now is too dry. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water into it. Just a tiny splash. This is the consistency that we're looking for. It's like really sticky. There's no way you'd be able to roll this into a ball. And then I'm just going to set this aside with a plate on it for 2 hours to let it double in size. So it's been, I think 2 hours, but I just checked my dough and it's doubled in size. So I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. And then I have a clean countertop. I'm just going to sprinkle some flour on the counter so the dough doesn't stick to it. And then where's my little pink thing? This is what I need. I'm just going to pour my dough out. It is so sticky. And then I am going to fold it. Okay, now that I have it in its desired shape, which is literally just a blob, I'm going to get some parchment paper and roll this onto our parchment paper. Get my Dutch oven. So you're technically supposed to heat up your Dutch oven for like 30 minutes, but I have never done that. I just stick it into the oven for like 5 minutes and then I put my dough into it. So that's actually what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, you gotta be careful with this because it is very hot. And then I'm just going to plop my dough in here. I literally said you gotta be careful with it because it's hot and I just touched it and burned my hand. Okay, now we're gonna stick this in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. So my bread is ready. After it bakes for 30 minutes, you take the lid off and you bake it for another 12 minutes until it's golden. I don't like my bread super hard on top. I actually like it pretty pale. So I left it like this, but I'm gonna cut it up. It's so squishy. Ah! Look at it. It's literally perfect. My butter. Okay, that's too big of a piece.